Hey guys, welcome to Don't Press the Button 4. I don't know why I'm playing this. I just couldn't think of what to record and I really need to upload, so this is what you get, I guess. Yeah. Please don't kill me. Yeah, I did. 0.91. God, that's wrong. That's just wrong. What if I use pizza? Still wrong. What is wrong with
I
this?
love you. I need a hug. I need.
Enter the cat phone. When it's one of these things again. Like, it's not. Go! I didn't know the lobby thing. Go. I did not know the lobby was. Oh, well, bye. Go. Oh, that was close. Go. I won. Yeah. Dude, serious am I? Dude, what up? Why do I have crap? 26. There.
Please make your car favor that this building will have to.
Yeah.
This movie post-track date, I noticed there's this little wood shack right here, but I need to camouflage it.
I think you can tell, judging by the avatar, I didn't spend that much Robux. At least the shirt and pants didn't cost that much Robux. They did cost some Robux. Let me press the button. I can't see what it is. Press the what? Press the what? Press the button? Button? Where is the button? Oh, that was the button? Get ready. Oh, snowball fight. I can do this! I can do this! I can do this! I can do this! Ah! Ah, kill them! I can do this. I can do this. Jump. I gotta do some insane juking here. Got him. Can I get him? Get this first! Ah! If I get my auto clicker out right now, then everybody would be dead, but can't really do that. Dude, man, dude, you're gone, dude. Man, my juking skills are too good. Dude! Man, I got the juice, darn it. Okay, go on, get out. Get out, man. Get out. Yay, I won. Oh! Get! Oh yeah, fuck. Oh, great, a storm. Oh, hello. How are you doing? What the? Is this Harry Potter right? Bruh! You thought it was okay. I am so embarrassed. Wow, yikes. Okay. I will let everybody die with me. Alright. If this is... Go! Yes! Did it. No, I don't want the grapple. That means you have to stay. Aw, come on! Mobile players have the advantage here. Just a movement speed. I cannot. Why is everybody dying already? What? If even one of your 5 parts is out. Oh god, this thing is going fast now. It's moving. This way. No. It's hard to see where the light is now because... Okay, good. What? It was shrinking. I couldn't move there. Oh my god, the heal potion. Bruh. This is cringe. This is cringe. I didn't move. I didn't move!
Vessel details change between almost every shot, which means if I tell you this is you legally have to believe me. I added a lift arm with parts spray bottle into a unit this chamber. I prefer the flight version from the end of the movie, so I'm going to combine the two concepts just to go. I have this crewmate Machines toy, but it needs a little extra beef to be a more appropriate scale for We've saved the highest and lowest parts of the castle for last. There's a crow's nest and some catwalks.
Chavez.
Part of the nest will be this plastic
Chavez.
Cursed.
Let's be friends.
Not cursed. I like to follow people, but I have a trick. Okay. Nope.
The crow's nest itself, I cut off the top to make it a little more squat, capped it off with a roof made from this dome we had.
I do know how to. Okay. Everyone moves safe. I know how this one works.
It's right there. The castle used to have stupid stones that used to hold up everything, so we get 2 pairs of no brackets.
Come on! Everybody died. Everybody's dying. Yes! Suffer.
Start, make sure you accidentally glue your legs to your table surface. And then remember that this is what parchment paper is for.
There. Can't use that remote while I'm using it. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. You know how to play this game, right? Do you? I don't know if these people know how to play the game. I know that Harry Potter doesn't. Hey guys, look, it's Harry Potter. Bruh, we scored a goal! Does this not count? Oh. Ah, yes, we scored the goal. Yay, finally. Well, seriously. I know how. Harry, this is your deal. Harry Potter, this is what you're supposed to be able to deal with. Use your ginseng spells. Harry Potter, you better use ginseng spells. I swear. Oh god, no, 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 no. Yay, winner. Oh look, Harry Potter did win. Hello. Guys, look, it's Harry Potter. Something's definitely wrong with that guy. What shall I...
Shove it.
To make a brush, you can choose all 3. It does a decent job, knocks out everything very quickly, and requires very little thinking, only wiggling the brush. Next, we're going to tackle the house siding, which is all cream colored. We're going for a stucco appearance with this color. I don't remember the specific name of this shade though. Oh right, bone. We took about 3 coats of creamy bone to cover up the primer, but you can use any shade of almost white that you have on hand.
No, no, no! Go, 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 go. Oh, this one's like not grilling. Oh, Konami. Oh god, this seems hard. Jump, jump. Doorway. I did it. Whee. Yay. I did it. Oh, these people suck apparently. Okay, finally, somebody's actually gonna win. Hi. Congrats, you did it. Are you guys seriously being amused by me? Yay, vacation. Darn it. Dude, this guy is not touching the right. You are not letting him. No. I want to haunt you about the dreams. I'm not talking to you, dudes. I'm talking to this big hair. I will summon Yoltzi on her face mask. I don't know why. I don't know why about this either. Find the button. Wow. Oh god. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Nope, I do not want that. No. Where was the button? No! Ah, go away! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Ow! Ow! That hurt! I swear, I will kill you both. Ow! Seriously, guys? No! What? My rocks are broken! Oh. Ah! Bro! That hurt! Wait. Ah! I want to avoid dying as much as possible. Kill the person! Yes! Take that. Ah! Mortal Kombat! Ah! Hello. Hello. Ah! Spider boy! Ah! I will kill you! I don't know what that word is, but I know how to play this. I know how to play this. Avoid everything in sight, basically. This is taking too long. I want it to go harder, faster. I feel like my Roblox is on the slow mode. This is going so slow. The last time I did this, it was going pretty fast. Just considerably. Don't touch them at all. You know, I really hate those obbies where if you like touch, like even if you're accessory, you still die. Yeah, I did it. Oh! Ah! Ah! No! 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 No. Button. Save me, button. Button. Where are you? Ow. That really hurt. 1-8! 1-8! 1-8! Hey, got one. Oh, this one's like impossible. What? What? Oh. Alright, I can do this by the mini game. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Okay. Coffee stirs. Nice. Alright. Watch out. Oh, no, 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 no. That one's coming straight after us. Never mind. Excuse me. What is happening right now? Oh! Mortal Kombat. Come here. Give it! No! I can tell I'm gonna lose. Yep, I'm gonna lose. Come on! I'm assuming this is seriously gonna take us a while. The ramps don't speed. This is gonna take much longer than I wanted to. That would actually speed us up.
Yummy, yummy.
If we get the head start, then it's over for everybody else. Come on! I gotta be before these people! Yes! Yes, I did it! Oh, hole in the wall. I know this one. It's easy! Guys, how are you dying? I'm also kind of sad they got rid of the Roblox oof sound. Oh, where's it gone? No, don't block me. 59. It should be up fairly more. Ah, yeah, so 59. Yes. That's... Oh, I must have responded. What is this? What is this? What is this? God, I don't want to see that anymore. Spinning.
I'm also using this period spinach as a gap filler around any buildings.
Ah! Repair the... Repair! Repair. Meow. Oh. Yep. I know. Eventually everybody will have to die though. Come on, what's taking you guys so long? I'm gonna get ready. You can see where the water is right now. Right there! Guys, hurry up. 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 Oh! Get out of the crate. Get out of the crate. Repair the windows. Go, 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 go. Repair. This is the highest point you can get to. This is probably how the elephant will survive. We were the last. Wait, we survived? Keep the giant. No, I am not. You're not fine. Fine. Fine.
Shove it.
Oh god, no, 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 no! I did not expect this! Still weird process. Does he actually need us, or does he just drop us into the void? I think he just dropped us into the void. Easter eggs. Easter eggs, Easter eggs, Easter eggs. Alright, sorry for that. Come on, eggs, eggs, eggs. Oh, found one. Go, go, go. I'm winning. Really good at this. Called zooming out, guys. People, it's called zooming out, by the way. Hope somebody just found one. I don't think I should write in the chat that I know where everybody is. Come on. Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video. Wait, hold on. I'm going to kill you guys. Whether you like it or not. With dancing. And I mean these people. Alright, see ya next time in my next video.